in the Chundan section. Ayaparambu Pandi, Karivata, Alapada Puthanchundan, and Chambakulam will be vying. Yes, the race has started. 4 boats are there. Ayaparambu Pandi in the first track, bearing division number 8, owned by KBC SFC Kuberagam. Captain is P.A. Abraham. And in the second track, boat number 6, Karivata, owned by Karivata Jalolsa Samadi. T. Venugopal is the captain. Then in track number 3, boat number 1, Alapad and Puthanchundan, owned by Town Boat Club Kuttanad, and Shamroy is the captain. And in track number 4, Chambakulam, registration number 14, owned by Police Boat Club Alapura, and Saiju Jacob Malail is the captain. All these boats are forces to reckon with in the boat races in Kerala. And Alapada Puthanchundan, it is owned by the newly formed boat club, that is KCBC SFBC Kuberagam. And then newly formed boat club. Then Alapada Puthanchundan is there, Ayaparambu Pandi is there, then Alapada Puthanchundan and Chambakulam. These are the boats vying with each other for the hits. And about Chambakulam, which is oaring in the fourth track, said that Chambakulam is a force to reckon with in the boat races in Kerala. This brought by members of the Police Boat Club. This snake boat lifted the recently held Raja Prabha Trophy, the Moolam race Chambakulam. And in this year's Nehru boat race also, Chambakulam is the Police Boat Club. In the Champions Boat League for last time, Chambakulam bagged the second place. Chambakulam snake boat is a name, which is a real terror to the other snake boats participating. And then the old Chambakulam boat was sold out, and instead in 2014, the new boat was built. In 2018 and 19, police team contested in other boats, but now Police Boat Club is going ahead. And then, Karivata, Chambakulam is clearly ahead. Chambakulam is clearly ahead. Chambakulam has bagged the Nehru Trophy in 2000 many times. It has bagged the trophy many times, including many hat-tricks. In many hat-tricks. Yes. And then there are 20 members in the team, I see, from the army and semi-army. And then other teams are there. 85 oarsmen are there. And the length of the boat is 51 and 1/4 goal. 81 oarsmen are there in the boat. 5 Amerikar or helmsmen, 9 Talakar. And the captain is Saju Jacob. Yes, Ayaparambu Pandi, Karivata, Alapada and Puthanchundan, they are behind. Chambakulam is clearly ahead. Chambakulam, which rose in the 4th track, bearing division number 14, Police Boat Club, Alapura. Yes, Kumaragaram. As told, defeating the Kumaragam style. Police Boat Club is clearly ahead. Yes, many times winner Chambakulam, including many hat-tricks, it is clearly ahead. Chambakulam, rowed by the members of the Police Boat Club. The snake boat lifted the trophy, Nehru Trophy and other trophies many times. Yes, and Ayaparambu Pandi is also a force to reckon with. It has also Alapada Puthanchundan is there. It is newly formed Town Club Kuttanad's youth are rowing in this. And Alapada Jundan, most of the oarsmen are in the age group of 18 and 21. But Chambakulam, Kerala Police team, Chambakulam, newly constructed Chambakulam boat is clearly ahead. And this time the winner in the final is decided on the basis of the timings they take in the heats. Need not be the first one, but there were boats which took less than 5 minutes or 4 minutes and some 20 seconds or so in the heats, and they had the ability to contest in the finals. Yes, you find, number 8. Number 8 is Ayaparambu Pandi. It's KBC SFCC Kuberagam. Captain is P.A. Abraham. But Chambakulam has easily won the heats number 1 in the Chundan section. Then Ayaparabu Bandi is following. Karivata is coming last, and Arapad and Putanchundan has come in the 3rd place. See, all sorts of boats. Yes, still far behind. This boat is far behind. That is Karivata.